The new 2-wire Villa kit now is published. Let's take a look of its functions. Tuya Smart and Smart Life app are supported. First, connect mobile phone to 2-point for Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth. Second, open Tuya app. In the upper right corner of the home, tap the plus icon, then tap Add Device. It is searching the device now. Tap the device to add. Check if the Wi-Fi and password are correct, then press Next. Waiting to be added. Add successfully, and press Done. On the app, click to monitor the live video of outdoor call panel. While monitoring, we can unlock the door and gate. While monitoring, we can start talking to the people in front of call panel. Calling test. Press the ring button to call. The monitor is ringing, and Tuya app also receives a notification. Answer the call on Tuya app. And then press the icon to talk. On Tuya app, here are unlock records. On monitor, press gate lock to unlock door 1. Press door lock to unlock door 2. On media, there are call records, video records and photo records. Slide the screen to turn pages. In video records, slide the screen to turn pages. Tap a video to view it. Tap the bin icon to delete. In photo records, slide the screen to turn pages. Tap to view the photo. Exit button to back. Monitoring live video of outdoor call panel. Unlock door 1. Hang up and exit. Start to talk. Unlock door 2. Take a photo. Start recording a video. One more press to stop. On menu, adjust backlight and volume. You can click minus or plus to decrease or increase. Or slide the bar to adjust. Press menu icon to exit. Exit monitoring. Press off to turn off the screen. Press to switch on and off silent mode. Tap this icon to settings. In System of Settings, set language. Click the arrow icon to switch. Keytone. Turn keytone on or off. Set record type when someone rings. Press the right arrow and confirm to reset system. Press the right arrow to restart the monitor. Press the right arrow to format SD card. Software version. Support motion detection. Set record type. Select sensitivity, low, middle or high. When record by video, set video duration, 10, 20 or 30 seconds. Light on screen or not when recording video. Set detection working period. Set the device ID when no more than 4 indoor monitors are connected. Automatic synchronization after connecting to Tuya. Sound setting. 1. Set ringing duration. There are 10 ringtones to choose from.
铃声1，浩浩铃声3。 号。
Set the ring volume. Decrease. Increase. Set input and output volume when talking. Show Wi-Fi and connection state. Click Reset to unbind tuya. To next page. Connect IP camera in the same Wi-Fi router by OnVIF. Set unlock duration for gate lock. Thank you for watching demo video. Welcome to Inquire and Test.